Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in the Epson XP-422. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself, using nothing but the buttons found here. So, first thing we're going to need to do is move ourselves along till we get to setup. Then we press OK. Now we need to go down once into maintenance and press OK. Then we can press down 3 more times until ink cartridge replacement is selected. And then once again, press OK. When you're ready, we're going to press the start button, represented by that symbol, which is just over here on the right hand side. Here we go. Now, your printer will move the ink cartridge cradle to where it needs to be. So, we're going to need to get to the inside of the printer, which we do by lifting the scanner bed of the printer. So, you've got the actual scanner on the top, but on the left and right, there's a couple of little recesses. Get your finger in there, lift them up. And as you can see, the ink cartridge cradle has already moved itself across here to where we can get to it. It would ordinarily be tucked underneath there. So, you've got a little recess here, so the back of the cartridges are completely exposed. They've got a little clip at the back, so you press down on the cartridge you want to replace, lift them up, and you just take your new cartridge, remove any packaging that's on there. Most ink cartridges you'll have a pull tab on the top, so you take that off. And there's also like a little cellophane seal on the bottom. We leave that in place, that will be pierced automatically as the cartridge goes into the printer. So pop that one in. You want to press down until you hopefully hear a little click. So you know it's in place and it's sat flush with the rest of the cartridges. So we can now close the lid of the printer, which again, just press down. And with the cartridges replaced, we're going to press the start button once again, as shown at the bottom of the screen. Now, what your printer will do is check the ink cartridges, make sure it's completely happy and can read the chip on the ink cartridge, and this will take your printer just a minute or so. If, like me, and you're using non-genuine ink cartridges, you will get a warning of that, but it's as simple as just pressing OK to continue. Okay, maybe OK a couple times. Select yes. And you're ready to carry on printing. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.